Hi, this is Steven with Transfer Flow Fuel Systems, premier, made in the USA with American steel. Today we're showing off our tank and toolbox combos. These are some of our more popular systems because they allow you to carry extra fuel and also all your tools with you. We have a 40-gallon, we also have a 70-gallon. Both of these are available as a refueler, which means that you have a 12-foot hose. You can fill skid steer, you can fill your generators, fill your motorcycle, or fill the truck. You can also get them as an auxiliary system, which for your diesel only truck will transfer fuel automatically as you're driving. Don't worry, if you get the auxiliary system, you can also add a refueling kit to it. These tanks are made of aluminized steel. They're basically a treated steel. They have a silicone aluminum coating on it, which really ultimately prevents rust and adds a longevity to the tank's lifespan. This is our 40-gallon tank and toolbox combo, probably one of our most popular tank and toolboxes. This one's the auxiliary version, meaning that it plumbs directly into your diesel truck's tank, transferring fuel while you drive with our Trax 4 phone app. As you can see, there's an ample amount of storage inside this toolbox. Tank is at the bottom. The pump for the Trax 4 system is located inside, and of course, your fill spout is safely locked inside the toolbox. Be sure to call Transfer Flow Fuel Systems. We can answer any questions you might have on fit, function, or otherwise, and we can put that order together for you.